Hi friends, welcome to my channel. They're perfect as a gift or to brighten your home. Isn't that lovely? I really hope this video helps you and inspires your next crochet project. You've got this. Feel free to mix your favorite colors and crochet the roses in any size you like. Let your creativity bloom. I'll walk you through every measurement and stitch count step by step. Want written instructions too? You'll find them on my website, crochetstrends.com. For this bouquet, we'll be using a 2.20mm crochet hook. If you're enjoying this already, subscribe and give the video a thumbs up. Now, let's jump right into the flower tutorial. Start by making your first knot. Then chain 44 stitches to begin the rows. Once you've chained 44, start in the second chain from your hook and work 43 single crochets in a row. After finishing your 43 single crochets, chain 5, then turn your work. Make 1 double crochet into the first space. Skip 2 stitches, then work a double crochet, chain 2, and another double crochet. That forms a V-stitch. Skip 2 spaces again, then make another V-stitch, double crochet, chain 2, and double crochet. Keep repeating this until the end of the row. I've reached the end of the row with 5 stitches. Now skip 2 stitches, and into the last one, work a double crochet, chain 2, and another double crochet. Including the very first V-stitch we made, you should now have a total of 15 V-stitches. Chain 1, then turn your work. Slip stitch into the center of the first V-stitch. Now chain 3. And into the same space, make 1 double crochet, chain 2, and 2 more double crochets. In the next V-stitch, make 2 double crochets, chain 2, and 2 more double crochets. Repeat that same pattern in each V-stitch across the row. 2 double crochets, chain 2, and 2 more double crochets. Keep going until the end. You're doing amazing. At the very last V-stitch, make 2 double crochets, chain 2, and 2 more double crochets, just like before. Turn your work. Nice progress so far. Now let's keep going. In the chain space of the first V-stitch, make 4 double crochets, chain 1, and 4 more double crochets. This is where it really starts to bloom. Now, in the space between 2 V-stitches, make 1 single crochet. Into the next chain space, make 4 double crochets, chain 1, and 4 more double crochets. Now, between the next 2 V-stitches, go ahead and make 1 single crochet. In every chain space across the row, work 4 double crochets, chain 1, and 4 more double crochets. Let's make this row bloom beautifully. And between each pair of V-stitches, continue adding 1 single crochet. When you reach the very last chain space, make 6 double crochets, chain 1, and 6 more double crochets. That's our grand petal finish. It's looking lovely. If you're loving this so far, why not give the video a thumbs up? Slip stitch into the second row's V-stitch to complete this beautiful row. Chain 1, then go ahead and cut the yarn. And hey, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new crochet idea. For the stem of our rows, I'll be using wooden stick rods. But feel free to use metal wire or any other material you prefer. Start rolling from the last petal group we made, the one with 6 double crochets on each side. Gently wrap inward to shape your rows. And while you're shaping your rows, why not share your version on Instagram? Tag me at Tuba Crochet. I'd love to see your beautiful flowers. Loving this pattern? There's more waiting for you on my channel. If you're still with me, you're doing such an amazing job. Let's keep going. Now, let's crochet the leaf for our rose. This is the perfect finishing touch. Start with a magic ring. Chain 3. Then make a double crochet into the ring. Including the starting chain, you should have 20 double crochets in total. Slip stitch into the top of the first chain to close the round. Let's shape the leaf next. Now chain 9. Insert your hook into the second and third chains. Pull up a loop and close all 3 loops on your hook. Next, make 2 half double crochets, side by side. You're doing awesome so far. Let's keep going. Now make 2 double crochets right next to each other. Then crochet 2 treble stitches, one after the other. Now skip 3 stitches after your last slip stitch, and make another slip stitch to anchor it. Keep repeating this pattern until you've crocheted a total of 5 leaves. For the second leaf, let's chain 9 again. Just follow the same steps as we did for the first leaf. You've totally got this. Insert your hook into the second and third chains, pull up a loop and close all 3 together. Now crochet 2 half doubles, then 2 doubles, and finish with 2 trebles, all side by side. Each one of these leaves adds such a beautiful detail. Take your time and enjoy it. After that last slip stitch, skip 3 stitches and make another slip stitch to anchor the shape. Chain 9 again for the third leaf, and just keep going until you have all 5. Once the 5th leaf is done, skip 3 stitches and slip stitch to finish that round. Chain 1, then cut the yarn, leaving a long tail to wrap around your wooden stick. We're almost there. Just a few finishing touches to go. Now take the yarn tail and pull it through the center of the magic ring. Nice and neat. It's all coming together beautifully. Got your glue ready? We're just about to bring it all together. Slide the wooden stick right through the center of the magic ring. That's where it all comes together. Almost there. Your rose is looking gorgeous already. Using cold silicone glue, carefully attach the leaves around the rose. Take your time here. This part makes it really shine. All the leaf pieces are now attached to the rose, and it's looking absolutely lovely. Now take the green yarn and start wrapping it gently around the wooden stick. It's like giving your rose its very own stem. So elegant. This is coming together beautifully, isn't it? Remember, every rose you make adds a little more joy to your space, or someone else's. So whether you're decorating your home or preparing a handmade gift, you're crafting something truly special. And that's it for today's tutorial. You've done an amazing job following along. I really hope this video has been helpful for you. And most of all, that it inspired you to keep crocheting. Until we meet again in the next tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. It really helps the channel grow. Take care, and happy crocheting!